Hello, dear students. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Let us to continue the remaining MCQs. So, question number 16. A satellite which is geostationary in a particular orbit is taken another orbit. Its distance from the center of the Earth in the new orbit is 3 times that of the earlier orbit. The time period in the second orbit is, okay, just no delay. Already all of you know. So the square of the time period is directly proportional to cube of semi-major axis according to Kepler's law. So t square proportional to r cube. So this implies t proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. So now t2 by t1 is equal to r2 by r1 raised to 3 by 2. So r2 is 3 times r1. So we can write r2 as 3r1. So r1 get cancelled. So r2 by r1 is 3. So raised to 3 by 2. So therefore t2 equal to 3 raised to 3 by 2 is 3 root 3. Okay. So t2 by t1 is 3 root 3. So t2 equal to 3 root 3 t1. So in that question, a satellite which is geostationary means t1 is 24. So 24 into 3, 72. So 72 root 3 is the answer. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ t2 equal to 72 root 3 hours. That is option A. Okay, A is the correct option. Okay, so go for next question. A stone is projected with an initial velocity of 10 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal. The velocity of the stone at the highest point. Okay, so ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋನನ್ನು ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Okay, so in case of projectile motion, suppose any object which is thrown with velocity v naught. Okay, so this v naught we can split into two components. So one is v naught cos theta, another one is v naught sin theta. Okay, so here theta is the angle of projection. At the highest point the vertical velocity is 0, so therefore only the horizontal velocity v naught cos theta is the velocity of the stone at the highest point. Okay, so now we can calculate Vx as v naught cos theta. This v naught 10 into cos 60 value. Cos 60 value is 1 upon 2. 5 into 1 by 2 is, sorry, 10 into 1 by 2 is 5. So therefore B is the correct option. So the answer is 5 meter per second. Okay, then go for next question. A ball is projected horizontally with a velocity 5 meter per second from the top of a building. Okay, 19.6 meter high. How long the ball will take to hit the ground? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. So the horizontal velocity is there. Okay, so the initial vertical velocity is to 0. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 19.6 meter ಅನ್ನೋದು vertical displacement or vertical distance you can say. So vertically ನೀವು think ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ, so you can cover a distance of 19.6 meter with initial speed 0 and acceleration 9.8. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ easily we can calculate by using the relation S equal to ut plus half a t square. So it is 19.6 this one is 0 plus half into 9.8 t square. So t square is equal to 2 into 19.6 divided by 9.8. So 9.8 ones are 9.8 two. So 19.6 divided by 9.8 is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So t square is 4. t square ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ t ಏನು t is 2. So option B is the correct. Okay. So t 2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ಹೀಗಾಗಿ option B is the correct one. Okay. So then go for next question. Question ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Question number 19. A projectile has a maximum range as to 200 meter. What is the maximum height attained by it? Okay. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ. Okay. R maxima is V naught square, okay, upon G ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು H ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. H equal to what? V naught square sin square theta upon 2g. Already we know R is maximum and theta is 45 degree. So sin 45u is 1 upon root 2 and square it is 1 upon root 2 square is 1 upon 2. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು sin square theta 1 upon 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 more 2 is there, so it becomes 4. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದದೇನು V naught square by Z. ಸೊ V naught square by Z ಏನಿದು R ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ. V naught square Z ಏನು R ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ. ಸೊ R ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ is given as ಎಷ್ಟು 200. So 200 upon 4, 100 by 2, that is 50 meter. So option C is the correct. Okay. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 50. Okay, 50 meter. So option C is the correct one. Then go for next question. 4 projectiles are projected with the same speed at angles 20 degree, 30 degree, 35 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree with the horizontal. The range will be longest whose angle of projection is. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಿಗೆ ರೇಂಜು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ. The range of the projectile R is V naught square sin 2 theta divided by z. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ r is proportional to sin 2 theta. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember, the maximum value of sine function is 1 for theta equal to 90 degree, and it is 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. So let us to check these 4 angles. So 20 degree means 2 into 20 is 40, so sin 40. Second one is 35 means sin 70. So sin 70 is more, sin 70 value ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next 60, 2 into 60 is 120. So sin 120 value ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 120 is 180 minus 120 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, 180 minus 120, 60 degree. It is less than 70. Okay, so 75 into 2 is 150. 180 minus 150 is to 30, so it is also less. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ clearly the angle of projection is more or longest whose angle of projection is 35 degree. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So 35 into 2 is 70. 2 into 60 is 120, but 180 minus 120, 180 minus 120, 60. 75 into 2, 75 into 2, 150, but 180 minus 150 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, 180 minus 150, 30 degree. So ಹೀಗಾಗಿ option B, that is 35 degree, is the correct answer. Okay, so in remaining questions we can discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.